everyone, I'm Birgit from Koba.Siani. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Thanks for tuning in again. Scrunchies are a big trend at the moment, and related to this you also see from time to time these scrunchy headpieces. So I thought it would be cool to have a pattern and an instruction for these, which is available in all my shops. The links are below this video here. This sewing project is really quick and simple to make, and it is again a perfect project to use up small and tiny fabric rests. In general, I think these headpieces with elastic tape in them are far more comfortable to wear than these hard headpieces, because they easily adjust to your head shape. By the way, I'm wearing here my blouse Stella with the big puff sleeves in the basic version, of which the pattern is also available in all my shops. So if you have any fabric rests from your previous project, grab them and let's make some beautiful headpieces. Enjoy this tutorial, have fun! As you can see, I have really little fabric left from my previous project, and now I'm cutting the two pattern pieces of the scrunchie headpiece. There is this bigger piece here, which will be the main part, the scrunchie part, and a smaller piece, which will be behind the head later. Additionally, we will need about 32 centimeters of elastic tape. Before we start sewing, I'm just quickly preparing some things. At the main part, I'm folding and ironing the two shorter sides 1 centimeter towards the wrong fabric side. Then I'm folding this same piece lengthwise into the half with the right fabric side to the inside. And I'm just quickly fixing this with some pins. Smaller pattern piece I'm also folding lengthwise with the right fabric side to the inside. Afterwards, I'm sewing at both pieces along the open long edges with 1 centimeter seam allowance. Here I'm starting with the smaller piece. And then follows the main part. Then I'm making, I would call it, the base of this headpiece. At first I'm trimming the seam allowance at the smaller piece down to 5 mm. And then, with the help of a safety pin, I'm turning around this fabric tunnel to the right fabric side. I'm fixing the safety pin at the border of the seam allowance, and then I'm inserting it into the tunnel and pushing through the whole tunnel to turn it around. Afterwards, I'm pressing it flat. Then we have to add the elastic tape. Here we have to try out the length, and we are starting with a length of 32 centimeters and then adapting to our head. I'm inserting the elastic tape into the fabric tunnel so that both overlaps for 2 centimeters. Like this, I'm joining the two pieces at both ends, and I'm fixing these with safety pins. Here again a detailed view. I'm feeling the elastic tape inside of the tunnel and measuring the overlapping. Then I'm trying on this headpiece base on me. It could be that it is too loose, and then I'm shortening the elastic tape. As soon as I've found out a good length for the elastic tape, I'm cutting it. At this side also I'm adding an overlapping of 2 centimeters. The length of the elastic tape and how it feels on your head depends also on the structure of the elastic tape. There are some which are more stable and some which are much softer. So it is not possible to give one length for one size fits all, and we have to try out the correct length. Then I'm joining the fabric tape with the elastic tape with the short stitching, but only one of the two sides. For this step, we have to turn around now also the main piece to the right fabric side, but at first I'm ironing apart its seam allowance. And then again with a safety pin I'm turning around the fabric tunnel to the right fabric side. Then I'm inserting the headpiece base into the main piece of the headpiece. Please note that the part with the elastic tape will be later inside of the main piece, and take care that the headpiece base doesn't move out of the main piece again. I've just secured the end with a pin. Now we are fixing one side of the main piece to the end of the fabric strip, and for this I'm folding the main piece twice, like this, as you can see it here in the video. Like this, it has more or less the same width as the fabric strip, and now we can sew this on. Here I'm making this short seam just tightly along the edge of the main piece. Then I'm joining again the two ends of the headpiece base, which are still loose, and here again I'm making an overlapping of about 2 cm. And I'm taking care that the elastic tape in the main part is not twisted. Now I can stitch also these ends together. Then only the second side of the main part is missing, and again I'm taking care that it is not twisted. And then I'm also folding this end like the other one before, so that it has the same width as the headpiece base. This went really quick, didn't it? Thank you for watching the video. If you have any question, just write me to info@Koba.Siani.com and I'll help you. Please don't forget to leave me a thumbs up here on YouTube. This means really a lot to me. You can also subscribe to my channel here, or you can follow me on social media. I'm on Facebook, Pinterest and Instagram. I hope to see you very soon again in my next video. Take care until then. Bye!